Alright, for this next example, let's take a look at things in reverse. What if we have a graph and we want to figure out the equation that goes with it? Now once again, if we were to do this the long way, we'd have to find different points along the line. We would then make a table, and then we'd figure out from the table what our equation would be. But in this case, we have a shortcut. Once again, it's our slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. So if I can just figure out what the slope is and what the y-intercept is, well then I don't need to do any of that other work. I can just pull the equation from the visual graph. So let's take a look. First off, the y-intercept. Now once again, the y-intercept, the definition is it's where our line crosses the y-axis, which in this case would be right here, 0, 1. So in this case we have a slope of positive 1. So right here our slope is 1. Our y-intercept is 1. So now that we've got our y-intercept, now we can go to slope. Now slope, as you remember from the previous lesson, is just how far do I need to rise and run to get from one point to the next. And it can be any 2 points and in any direction you want. So let's just use the one that I just did, and let's say we're trying to make our way down to this one. Well, in that case, in terms of rise and run, to go from here down to here, I'd have to rise, let's see, 1, 2, 3, negative 4, so I'm going down 4, and then I'd have to run across to the right, positive 3. So that means my slope, rise over run, would be 3 over negative 4, or negative 3/4. And now I just need to fill in the rest of slope-intercept form. Y equals on one side by itself. The slope is always the number next to x, and then our y-intercept here. So this, y equals 3 over negative 4x plus 1, is the mathematical equation that goes with this visual information over here.